How's it going, guys? Hope everybody is well. And as you can see from the trees out here, it is actually getting ready to rain like never before. And believe it or not, it's almost 100 degrees out here. So we have this tropical weather. But what I wanted to do is go over a few things you guys were asking me about my 4Runner. And the best way to do that is to show you. So basically, here are the mods that I had done, and some people don't think they are mods, and they consider mods being a KDSS lift, etc., etc. But if it did not come with it on your 4Runner, then I consider it a mod. So my black rims, they were actually alloy, painted them black, and the bolts down there are actually black also. And as you can see, I have all-terrain tires on here. This is the default 265/70/17. And as you can see, the front of the truck, the windows are tinted on the front to match the back tint, which is I think 5% or so. And carbon fiber on the mirrors, carbon fiber on the door handles. The step that came with it is still there at the bottom. I decided to keep it instead of getting the roll bars, but I might do it in the future. As you can see, I have a lift on the front, which is a 2-inch lift, which evens out actually my 4Runner. So it is pretty much even all the way around. A little bit of discrepancy, but it's pretty much even with the back now. If I went 3 inches, that would probably be a little bit too tall for what I'm doing with it right now. As we go to the front, you can see the Raptor lights that I got on here. Black and painted that part black. I have the switchback lights that are in here that turn amber when the turn signals come on. I have a carbon fiber around the amber fog lights. I have the D-rings, and I have the TRD skid plate. Carbon fiber on the door handles, carbon fiber on the dash. I have a light bar light to switch the Raptor lights off or on, off, on, carbon fiber around. Carbon fiber around the navigation, around the steering wheel. Also inside we have the famous pedal commander. I was going to get a sprint booster, but I decided on the pedal commander and it's worked flawlessly. I haven't had any issues with it. All carbon fiber around. Black knobs, controlling the AC and fan. Red inserts inside the pockets. Red insert for the coin holder. Also the radio controls, the knobs, black on both sides. I'm not sure if I'm going to change these to black. For right now, I'm going to keep them silver. Also here on the inside, I have a TRD shifter, which I put in myself. I don't think they're selling the TRD shifter anymore. So, but anyhow, I'll put a link in the description where you might want to take a look and see if they still have them. I don't think they have the exact TRD, but I know they have something similar to it. So anyhow, I'll put a link in the description. Carbon fiber around the gear shift, heat controls, carbon fiber around the A-track. Carbon fiber on the passenger side and on the door and handles. And we have carbon fiber also on the back door on both sides. I have LED lights. All my lights are LEDs now. Bright lights, headlights, fog lights, high beams, all LED. And under the hood, I have the TRD cold air intake. I have the engine cover, which I painted myself. We have the battery bar and a TRD oil count. The blackout on the back, front, and on the side of the Toyota emblems. And I have a 7-inch exhaust pipe with a Flowmaster Super 10 underneath. Roof rails were painted black on top. ABS visors on the side and the back. And I think that's about it. So I'm going to put a link in the description for the mods that I currently went over and some things I might have missed. I might have missed some, so yeah, I'll put a link in the description for some of the mods, most of the mods, maybe all of the mods, so in your spare time you can go over and take a look. And that's about it for today. The wind is wreaking havoc and the rain is coming down. You can't see it because it's so hot, it's evaporating, but that's about it for now. So if you have any questions or comments, put them in a comment section, and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.